Sunrise over Trenchtown. Me see the golden light a bless the ground. The youth them step out with hope in them eyes. Even though Babylon still a spread them lies, but a flare pan strong like the morning sun. Teach we say the righteous can't ever run. From the gully side straight to the higher heights. At the same one Jah guide we through the darkest nights. Sunrise over Trenchtown, Jah light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong. Sunrise, oh just sunrise over Trenchtown. Remember the days when Sophia tick, no food on the table, I feel sick. But me granny says, son, keep your mind panja. For every little trial there's a higher law. So me stand firm like roots in a earth deep. Watch the dawn bust through when the whole world sleep. Trenchtown teach man say courage can't fall. For the meek shall rise and the truth stay bold. Sunrise over Trenchtown, Jah light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong. Sunrise, oh just sunrise over Trenchtown. Every little youth a warrior in a just side. Every little struggle just a part of the fight. Keep your spirit pure, keep your fire bright, cause dawn can't come if you fear the night. So rise up, Rasta man call from the zinc fence corners to the old brick wall. Lift your voice to the heavens, let the whole world see. Set Trenchtown spirit, set the people free. Now sunrise bring hope for the broken heart. A fresh anointing for a brand new start. The rhythm of Jah beat in a every street lane. Turn the cry into song, turn the grief into gain. Me say forward I go, me nah look back. Trenchtown build steel when the times get black. So me chant with conviction strong. For Jah glory live on like eternal song. Sunrise over Trenchtown, Jah light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong. Sunrise, oh just sunrise over Trenchtown. Sunrise over Trenchtown. Me see the golden light a bless the ground. The youth them step out with hope in them eyes. Even though Babylon still a spread them lies, but Jah flame burn strong like the morning sun. Teach we say the righteous can't ever run. From the gully side straight to the higher height. At the same one Jah guide we through the darkest night. Sunrise over Trenchtown, Jah light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong. Sunrise, oh just sunrise over Trenchtown. Remember the days when sufficient pick. No food on the table, I feel sick. But me granny says, son, keep your mind panja. For every little child there's a higher law. So me stand firm like roots in a earth deep. Watch
the dawn bust through when the whole world sleep. Trenchtown teach man say courage can't fall. For the meek shall rise and the truth stay bold. Sunrise over Trenchtown, the light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong. Sunrise, oh, just sunrise over Trenchtown. Every little youth a warrior not just sight. Every little struggle just a part of the fight. Keep your spirit pure, keep your fire bright, cause dawn can't come if you fear the night. So rise up, Rasta man call. From the zinc fence corners to the whole brick wall. Lift your voice to the heavens, let the whole world see. Say Trenchtown spirit set the people free. Now sunrise bring hope for the broken heart. A fresh anointing be a brand new start. The rhythm of Jah beat in every street lane. Turn the cry into song, turn the grief into gain. Me say forward I go, me nah look back. Trenchtown will steal when the times get dark. So me chant with conviction strong. For Jah glory live on like eternal song. Sunrise over Trenchtown, Jah light a crown. Lift up the humble, never let them drown. From misery to victory, we trod the road long, but with faith in the heart, every soul gets strong.